Welcome to Cyclonomics, where biking is life. Yay, yay! Today we are doing a group ride to State Lodge, that is past Chaka, and we are using the Dedan Kimathi route. You can see here, everybody is trying their best to climb to the end of this climb. It's a 4.1% gradient climb that takes you to Dedan Kimathi University. And Wairia is the person recording the video. Shout out to him. He's doing his very best, risking even his life on the road to record for us. Nyeri Nyahururu is a very busy road, and as you can see, the cars are just zipping by, and Wairia is just doing his best to record the videos for you to get some good content. Kudos to you, Wairia. Shout out to you. We could not have done this without you. Now this climb takes us to Dedan Kimathi University. At the end of the climb, it's a 4.1% gradient. You'll find Dedan Kimathi University. That's where we are getting to. For those of you who don't know Dedan Kimathi University University is along the Nyeri Nyahururu highway, which is 5.5 kilometers from Nyeri town and situated 95 kilometers from Nyahururu town. The weather is great, is on our side. Today being a Sunday, we are here to have fun in the sun. Alright, yeah, keep watching. Then, as you already know, during group rides or during rides in general, you don't lack problems kama mapancha hivi, chain braking, So this time this problem really got onto our friend Dero. As we were mending the puncture for Derek's bike, kuna watu waliamua kujikeep distracted by going to see the airstrip at Nyarifu. Who would have thought Nyeri iko na airstrip? Kujeni mtembee Nyeri mjionee mambo. Patience is key during group rides. Did I remind you that mkiwa kwa ride hafai kuachana? Mmoja akiharibikiwa kaeni hapo msaidie. It's not a race. So today was no different. It was not a race. It was a fun ride. More so to end the year. That's why we had to wait for Derek without having any complaints. Oh yeah, we're back on the road. So we hit the road now. Now we are at Chaka heading to State Lodge. And the pace is high octane, I tell you. It was a fun ride turned race. We are now past Chaka, around Tagwa. Pace is still high octane, and this time it's more work, less talking. Nobody is talking to each other now. We are just moving at high pace, high octane.
Wewe fanya kazi.
You see the road right up ahead is supposed to take you to Narumoro, but today we are not using that. We are supposed to head right towards State Lodge, and that is the route we shall be using. I can see the weather is still on our side, so we take a minute to relax and then we get moving. Fast forward a few minutes later, we are near the trout place and we are standing at a very sharp corner, almost a 90-degree angle corner, and there are a few of our cyclists who fell, who did not negotiate the corner very well, so they ended up falling. As you can see, there are skid marks, not those skid marks, I mean the tire skid marks, as you can see on the loose chippings. It's a fast dropping river, don't you think? On one side, but on the other side it's pretty much cool. Yeah, but it's nature. And we continue to look at the weather. It's still on our side, but clouds are gathering, so I tell people, let's leave before it starts raining. And so off we go. A few minutes later we got to the State Lodge, but because we are not allowed to take pictures there, we could not take any, so we just passed and we decided to head to the Mount Kenya forest known as Hombe forests. Anyway, it feels great to be here. The cool temperatures, the amazing sceneries, the trees. We are now at an altitude of 1920 meters at this point. If you go upwards, you get to even 2500, 3000 meters, which is pretty cold, and it's pretty much raining up there. So some decided to go, others decided to remain. Welcome to Hombe Forest, established in 1943. Can you believe it? How many of us were even born in 1943? Even my parents were not.
Sasa. Uko poa? Unatafuta na wengine mpatikani. Ah, man. Yeah, the beginner himself. Nimerekodi. Ati nini? Ai, ongea. Tunakiendeshanga tu hivyo. Bye, bonane. Kia buka. Bye. Bye. Mako umeamua kuingia kichakani.
Huku kunaitwa fore. It's a very steep gradient. I will show you the segments later in the video.
Ama jamaa afiki. Ama jamaa afiki. Ama jamaa afiki. Anyway, nilikuwa nataka tu kuchukua video.
This is Kingongo, past the backyard hotel next to the Kingongo prison. It's now the end of the ride. Cyclists are now arriving from the tough Chiganjo climb that is 2 kilometers long with an overall gradient of 6%. And because we always want to finish rides in style, our very own Ken Genius, aka Ken Gure, decided to do an off-road sprint from Game Rock to Kingongo, which is a 4-kilometer climb with a very small gradient of 1.1%. So I had to record the moment for him that he will always remember how he finished 2022 in style. Yay! And the ride was over. Everybody went their own ways. So thank you very much for watching my videos. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and support it by sharing my content. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.